Hey, what's going on? Zero Day J here, Opal as well. It's Thursday, July 31st. The market closed 27 minutes ago. I just finished streaming like 10 minutes ago. If you were there, thank you so much for hanging out. If you weren't there, you missed out. I stream every single day for Power Hour, 2 and through close. I also stream at random times, like I streamed last night. I just never know when it's going to be, other than for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. So if you want to hang out with a bunch of awesome people in the chat and watch me trade like a degenerate, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my streams when I go live. Anyway, I'm in my Apex Trader funding account right now, and I fucking fucked these up. I'm so fucking pissed. I had them up $1,220 after day one yesterday. We dumped hard today, and I knew this was the bottom. It started bouncing, and I let myself get sucked into some bullshit chop here, even though I was right about the move. I wanted this, and we got it, but what happened was I got shaken out. Look at the trades. Let's see if I can get to the trades. I don't know if they're still in there. Yeah, look. This was the last trade I was in after being down 1,000 because I went in long, and it fucking literally top-ticked me and went down, and I got stopped out. I didn't want to, violate the 30% rule. And then I get all of it back, and I'm just about at break even here. And I get shaken out, and then I wait for it to come up around here for like a rejection, and it just kept blowing through it. But it came up to my take profit because my take profit was up here. Had I just not let myself get shaken out and held, I would have been good for the day. I would have had another big day in. But unfortunately, I fucking reverted back to an old awful habit that I've been breaking. And I've been doing a great job of not falling into it. But today I did. I went against my rightness. That's what happened. I went against my fucking rightness and I blew these. So that sucks. If you blow a funded account, they'll give you a one-time use code that you could use in the next 7 days. And I had a couple, and I grabbed 2 more accounts at 80% off, and I passed them for the stream right after Apple earnings dropped. So unfortunately, that's how it played out. I have these 4 also that I'm waiting on my payout request to be approved. Here's the thing. After what I did in my Take Profit Trader account today, I'm still waiting on these to be approved. But if they get approved today, I'm going to refresh right now. I'm not approved yet. I don't see why they wouldn't be approved. I am 98% certain that they will be approved. The issue is when. If they do get approved today, I'm counting it towards this month. If I get approved today before midnight my time, fuck it, before midnight Guam time, that will be my first ever $20,000 month. I am over $14,000 with everything else for the month, which is great. It's my second best month ever. If I get approved for these, I will be over $20,000 in payouts for the month of July. And it'll be my new best month. My best month ever was in May. I did just under $18,700. So, man, I really hope that they approve me today. I really hope they do. But worst case, I don't get approved today. I get approved tomorrow or on over the weekend. If that's the case, I don't care when I get approved. At least I get approved. If it's a win-win regardless for me, because if I don't get approved today, I'll count the 6,000 for August, right? I already have 6,000 going into the new month. So maybe if I don't get it this month, the 20K, which I will have if I get approved before the day ends, I'll be 6,000 closer to my first ever 20K month in August. And I have a bunch of other stuff I'm working on that I feel like I'll be able to get the job done. And I just feel like I've just turned this corner with my trading, and it's showing. It's starting to show. I've been more consistent. This is my second 5-figure month out of the last 3 months. I did it in May. I did it in June. I only did 7,500 in June. Now I did it again in July. So I feel like I'm turning the corner in terms of being able to replicate these 5-figure months, and now it's just growing from there. So we'll see what happens. Let me refresh one more time. We're having a little refresh party on this video, this update video. It's okay. Please, Granny. But it's all good. Whenever it happens, it happens. I'm confident that I'll get approved. I didn't violate any rules. So whenever it happens, it happens. I'll have 2 more funded accounts starting tomorrow, going into the new month of August. I can't believe it's fucking August already. And like I said, Apex isn't really running any sales right now because they just ended their 90% off sale. The best you could get right now is 50% off. So if you really need to grab an account and you're okay with only getting 50% off, click my link in the description below. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. But if I were you, I would hold out because they will be doing something soon, like 80% at the very least. So if you have any questions about any of this, leave it in the comment section below. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my streams or any of my updates. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.